If you're looking for new construction in South Jersey, I have the perfect property for you right here in Gloucester County. Let's check it out. This home, brand new construction, has a lot of incredible features, and I'll get to that momentarily. Michael Jaffe is the builder who put this property together, and his company is Evergreen Real Estate. So we got to give Mike, who's a good friend of mine, proper attribution, but he puts together an unbelievable product. You can see some standout features outside. It's a 1 acre lot, huge, and you have this asphalt driveway, brand new carrier, air conditioning condenser, new gas, new everything. Lovely concrete walk as you come up this way. Nice country shaker shutters, really, really nice. And you have the front porch. This is all wrapped in PVC, everything. So the address of this property is 65 Nicholas Drive in scenic, gorgeous Franklinville, New Jersey. Let's see the interior. What's great about it is the 9-foot ceilings all throughout the first floor of the house. And Michael, he puts in these special windows that don't have any grates at the bottom level. And then the grates up top give it that colonial feel, real nice. You have a coat closet. You have a half bath with the hexagon tile pedestal sink, really, really nice. The 9-foot ceilings continue into this great room, and you have recessed lights, and who doesn't love a gas-fired fireplace with a mantle, all set up for your flat screen TV. Big bullpen area here, you put all kinds of furniture, kitchen table. The countertops are granite. Michael always puts in top of the line cabinetry. These are soft touch cabinets, and the drawers are dovetail. They're also soft touch. Nice stainless steel appliance package with the gooseneck faucet, stove, microwave combo, real nice. This is unbelievable. Who doesn't love a huge walk-in pantry? Imagine all your stuff nice and organized, labeled, perfect. Come this way, we have your 2-car garage. It's all drywalled, ready for your finishing touches. And then you have a coat closet right here. Walk, hang your stuff up. You can drop your stuff in this little mud room, real nice. The backyard, there's not much to it right now, but you got an acre all told here. So you could just check out what you could do there. Plenty of room for a pool. All good. Let's check out the upstairs. So you got 4 beds, 2.5 baths up. The whole house, all told, is 2,418 square feet. You got 4 bedrooms up here, and you have 2 full baths. We'll call this one over here bedroom number 4, good size. Of course, every bedroom has its own closet. This one here would be bedroom number 3. Everything gleaming more with the windows, with the no pane look. It's great. You got a nice little linen closet, put your towels. You have a great hall bathroom here with 24 by 24 gray tile. You got a double vanity sink. Those are more dovetails, and everything's nice and neat in here. Bright white, gleaming, just like new construction. You got another closet here. This is your upstairs laundry room, right where it should be. It's got some fancy pants, 12 by 12 tiles, and you got another closet back there. Bedroom number 2 is bigger, so you'll give this room to your favorite child. Got a closet, all cool. And then you have the master bedroom. This has some really nice extra features. You have the A-frame roof, really, really good. It's already set up for cable and your TV. Big, overlooks the backyard. And check out these tiles. These are 36 by 36. Looks like a marble type of tiling, really nice. Double vanity sink, stand-up shower, all good. And of course, a master wouldn't be complete without a huge walk-in closet. So imagine all your stuff stacked in here nice and neat. Let's check out the basement. So this basement is the whole footprint of the house. You have very high ceilings. I'm not sure they're 8 foot, 8.5 foot, maybe they're 9 foot, they're somewhere in there, but it's all beautifully done. You see it's insulated with the perimeter insulation. You have your carrier unit here, 90% efficiency, so that's top of the line. That's your HVAC. You have a Navion natural gas hot water heater, so you have instant hot water every day, all day. And here are your water filters for your private well and your air tank. You can see this all is finishable space here. On this side, you have a huge electrical service That's a 200 amp service, so you'll have more power than you'll ever need in this house. So we have 2,418 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, right here in scenic rural Franklin Township, brand new construction, top to bottom. Can't get any better than this anywhere in South Jersey. It's got the large master bedroom suite. You have this big bullpen area. You have the gas fireplace, high efficiency HVAC system, 1 acre of ground, huge parking lot to the left-hand side. All the bells and whistles that you're looking for in new construction. Move in and become part of the Franklinville, Gloucester Township community. To get more properties like this on a weekly basis, subscribe to our channel and you'll be able to see every new property that my company gets. And if you need to get a hold of me, our phone number is right here. Dial, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.